Hi. Uh, in this slide, we are going to study about or learn about margin trading. Margin is the famous word. Already we have discussed about in F&O section as well as intraday sections how much the margin the individual investor or the customer or any member has to pay with the specified stock exchanges. In this margin trading, we are going to discuss entirely a different one. Here, what we are going to discuss mean, if at all a certain level of transaction is come to an end, which mean to be nature, already we have discussed in a risk reduction mode. Only 90% capacity I can trade. That means either a client or the broker, and apart from that, I may not go for the trading on the market. But market is keep on moving. How can I participate? So it is unjustified that denying the permission to the particular broker who was interested to take part in the market, both the broker as well as in the client. So in this particular situation, the SEBI is permitting the one more or additional what we call a facility or a facilitation provided by SEBI towards its brokers or its customer is called margin trading. This margin trading is exactly it is explaining or doing it for the practice of extra money or extra amount is injected into the particular stock exchange for trading and all. This margin trading is a trading with borrowed funds or securities. It is exactly understanding like this way. I do not have the enough money to make my trade. Now I am permitted to get or draw the loan from someone by permitted or accepted ways of SEBI, take the loan and then made the practice in the particular market, which is called it as the margin trading. It is essentially a leveraging mechanism which enables the investor to take exposure in the market over and above what is possible with their own resources. So தன்னுடைய சொந்த அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு தாண்டி தன்னுடைய மொத்த சொத்தை தாண்டி இன்னமும் அடிஷனலா அவன் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் கொடுக்கறதா வாட் இஸ் கால் தேர் த மார்ஜின் ட்ரேடிங். For this, the SEBI is prescribing eligibility conditions and the procedural details for allowing the margin trading facility from time to time. It is what you called a dynamic by nature. Who have had the rights to do the practices, it is as usual getting the license from the SEBI. The corporate brokers with a net worth of more than 3 crore rupees, they can take part in this particular one or is permitted to go for the margin trading facilities. And once they go for the margin trading facilities, the client as well as the corporate broker has to go on agreement, and the agreement format is prescribed by SEBI. It also specified that the client shall not avail this particular facility of margin trading more than one broker at a time. இவர் வந்து இங்கே ஒரு புரோக்கர்கிட்ட ஒரு கிளையண்ட் வந்து ஒரு 10 புரோக்கர்கிட்ட இந்த மாதிரி மார்ஜின் ட்ரேடிங் போட்டு 10 புரோக்கர்ட்டையும் என்ன பண்ண லோன் வாங்கி பிசினஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. ஒரு டயத்துல ஒரே ஒரு புரோக்கர்கிட்ட மட்டும்தான் இந்த கிளையண்ட் என்ன பண்ண முடியும் பிசினஸ். இட் இஸ் ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்டட் பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் ஓவர் அண்ட் அபவ் த எக்ஸ்போஷர். அவரால் அவருடைய சொத்தை தாண்டி ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் கொடுக்குறோம் அவருடைய இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டுக்காக. அப்ப நிறைய ரிஸ்க் அவருக்கு என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, பெர்மிட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அண்ட் திஸ் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் மார்ஜின் ட்ரேடிங் இஸ் அவைலபிள் ஃபார் group on securities. What is the group on securities? That the securities will be traded on a day more than 80% in the trading, and we have the past good experiences, past 6 months good profit earning capacity. So such on the way how it can be permitted are the limitation of securities. And where the broker can take the loan, the broker can take the loan only from the scheduled commercial bank or the NBFCs, which is regulated by RBI. No broker is permitted to take the loan from other than these two avenues. And how much the loan can be given by the broker to the particular client, it can be provided only up to 10% of the total exposure limit of the particular broker. What is the total exposure limit? It is nothing but the SEBI's permission on taking the loan from outside, which is called the borrowed funds, and the 50% of this net worth of the particular deposit. So இதைத்தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம், நம்ம டோட்டல் எக்ஸ்போஷர் சொல்றோம். ஸோ இந்த டோட்டல் எக்ஸ்போஷர்ல ஒரு கிளையண்ட்டுக்கு அவர் மேக்சிமம் 10% தான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், ப்ரொவைட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ திஸ் மார்ஜின் ட்ரேடிங் இஸ் அன் ஐடியா ஆஃப் providing the what we call the extra leverage towards the market for the interest of the particular investor. It will be providing there the more options to the person, so it is benefited to each and every persons. Thank you.